least expect it. When it feels this good. When it feels this good. When it feels this good.
Itong deep. Kung anong deep, pababa, sabi niya ganun. Wow. Mahaba to?
Mahaba to, 13 miles to. Puro bundok.
Tapos exit diretso.
Diretso na bahay.
May gumugulong, oh. Disyerto dati ganun.
Gumulong din mo. Nag-crawl yun, maliit na ano.
Na, ha? Hindi ba? Hindi ba gumulong yung na pag ano, desert?
Hindi.
Yung parang halaman na
Maliit
nagulong.
na hayop. Yung ko nakita?
Nakita ko, akala ko ngayon yung gumugulong.
Wow. Sa likod tayo ng magahay.
Dapat maaga para di mainit.
Yeah, maaga tayo.
Kaya mo ba mag-hike? Kaya mo pa ba?
Wow! Wow! Wow!
Baka hindi mo na
Wow.
kaya, baka hingaling-ngaling ka pa.
Wow!
Mile 1.
Bukas mo
Wow,
ganda.
ganda. Parang mas gumaganda pag naka-shades ako kasi parang nag-ano. Tinan mo, try mo.
Nag-ano shades yung akin.
Parang hindi nagiging blurred.
Ba't po na mata mo buwang?
Ha?
Malabo na mata mo.
Hindi, parang mas sharper yung color nung red. Oops.
Dito tayo, dito tayo.
Dito, diretso?
Dito.
Dito?
Yeah.
Ah.
Welcome parking. Baba tayo. Namin parking din. Diretso ka, diretso. Up, tigil.
Oh.
Pili ka.
Dito, click.
Ha,
Oh.
start. Huwag mo start.
Oh, auto parking. No hands. Ang galing. Ang galing ito. Ignoy na ignoy ako, ah. Inayos pa nga. Mas magaling pa mag-parking sa tao to. Gitnang gitna. Oh, yung gitnang gitna eh.
Di ba?
Gitnang gitna. Ayan ang for the big.
Patong ka dun sa taas.
Medyo.
Diyan nga.
Umalo.
Diyan kami pumapatong.
Delicates tayo dyan, ah.
Record mo sa metro mo. Record mo.
Naka-record na. Medyo mahaba. It's a long fall.
Naman ang phone mo, wala bang bright gas?
Meron. Titipid ko sa battery.
Ang daming may
Hindi, nakaano kasi to. Yung anti-privacy. Hindi, maliwanag din kasi. Pero max na eh.
Max na yan? Diyos ko.
Huwag na dyan, tara na.
Dito.
Dito pwede dyan. Sa gitna. Oh, yun nga, medyo delicates tayo dyan. Pwede dyan sa crack.
Sa babae dyan.
Kaya Kaya pala scenic drive. Puro bukid.
Pag weekend, may nakita ka dyan, may nagra-rock climbing dyan. Allowed yan dito, rock climbing. Pero hindi ko pa na-try dito. May bike ko.
Ano yun nandyan? Stop over yun.
Drive north on Red Rock Scenic Drive for 9.8 miles.
1 mile is ilan ba? Diretso tayo?
Dito.
Oo nga, ito. 1 mile is ilang kilometers? 5?
1 mile?
Oo.
1.6.
1.6 kilometers.
Tingin ko, ano ko 1.6?
Folks, right this way. Aren't these temps nice? Had you been here last week, my last 3:30 Dam tour, it was so today we're only about 100. So I mean, might have been a little more. So you
What's that? Hindi ko makita, kaya gusto ko salamin yan.
So, folks, if you want to see where we are now, literally, and again, these John, literally X marks the spot. We're on the inner of the two Nevada diversion tunnels. Two more on the Arizona side. Each of these tunnels basically 3/4 of a mile or 1.2 kilometers in length. Now, they got these done ahead of schedule, just shy of 2 years. Once they were done, in order to build a big dam, we had to build 2 smaller dams to make that happen. And the upper Copper Dam, its role was to force the water around the Colorado River so we could build the dam. The lower Copper Dam just stopped the water from backing into
was alerted, and over 5,000 men, desperate for work, swarmed the Black Canyon to build this ambitious project.
1850 to 1960.
Born in the Rocky Mountains, then fed by other rivers and streams, Colorado River flows throughout the coast.
First time on an America? Don't worry, it's an easy ride. Here we go. Hang on tight. Oh, check this out.